everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I went to the Blackpool Zoo and it was so nice, and here is where we were going to the zoo, right? So this is like the surroundings of it, and there were like really nice houses and all that, so it was really fun. And stay tuned.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So here, y'all, we arrived to the zoo and it was enormous and it was so nice, but we didn't have like a map or something, so we went to get that and it was so nice, so stay tuned for that. So here are the beautiful turtles and they seem like pretty old, right?
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So this area was like a dinosaur area and it was like an island, and it was really cool. And afterwards we're gonna show you an animal which was just amazing.
And we'll grow in numbers.
So here is the animal. Write down which animal you think it is in the comments down below, because it's really nice.
Grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to them.
So yeah, this is the elephant and it's a beautiful creature and it's a beautiful animal. And you might be wondering like, where do you put these pictures, like the stars and everything? Well, basically I have never seen an elephant in my whole life, and today I got the chance to see it, and I was just like, I didn't know what to say. It was just so nice. And these were the Indian elephants, which were nice, but I thought I preferred the Africans elephant. I don't mind actually, because they bought just beautiful elephants, and there was this elephant fossil, and from that you could see how big the elephant was.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So here we saw camels and they were really nice. I have never seen one like near me, because these were like pretty close to us and they looked amazing. So here are the pink cocktails and they were really cute and really nice, adorable.
No rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
So here I found some sea lions and they were really nice, and we saw this one that was like really outside and you could see him properly, so it's coming. And it was like you could see like the shape of it. That one there, as you can see, it was outside and all, and you can clearly see it. It was like flexing itself. It was adorable.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
So here are the beautiful long neck giraffes, and as you can see, they're adorable as well. Like, which animal on earth is not adorable? So these are pretty much really nice and all that. So this was like inside of the house, and here is outside. They have a lot of space to like go around and all that.
And on we'll
So this is a beautiful tortoise, and it was like really slow, and then I started walking here, and I thought it actually wasn't that slow, but it actually was like pretty slow. Like if you had a race with him, you probably win. So this was a bird which I never saw in my whole life, and I didn't know what it was. And here are the cute parrots, and they were messing around with my sister, and they were just flying off, and it was kind of neat. But yeah, that's how it was. And I hope you like parrots because they're like adorable as well.
turn to sun rays.
Okay, let me hear you. Vieni qua, Nana. Paura così e ti dai tutti. Vicino. Fai l'abbraccio così che sei di qua e dopo di Come here. Here.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands.
So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.